friends, today I will show you how to put this thread in a sewing machine. Today I am using GEMSY sewing machine and this technique or this method is similar to all kinds of sewing machine, automatic sewing machines. So see, first we need to put this thread through these two holes. See, one, then this is second. Now take it through the tension. This is called tension. Then there is one small wire here. You need to take it from there, then down, from here, straight away, upside, upper side, then from there. So this is ready to put through the needle. So it is ready to sew now. Suppose we need to change the thread, the color of the thread. We need not go through the same process again. Just cut this thread here. Now take the different color which you want to put. Tie here. Tie both the threads and drag the thread. First color. See, now all the thread will come through all the parts we have put. Cut it here. Now this is ready to sew. I'll also show you how it looks after sewing. This is a waist cloth. This is a power button. Just switch it on and press the pedal. This is a contrast color I have used here. This is the similar color, red color. This is white color. The stitches will be like this.